Loofah! Chips? Drunken Pete reporting. I didn't even open the can. Okay. Drunken Pete reporting. So today, I'm on vacation, guys. So I went to Park Omega with my niece. This place. And I saw antlers there. They're on the ground, and you could buy antlers. And I'm like, it'd be cool to have antlers, like a Canadian thing. I could maybe put them somewhere. I don't know. Fuck. They're fucking expensive. Look at this. Fuck. This is over $180, I think. And go. Then at these places, it's like Park Safari. You drive, and the deer and the moose come up to your car, and you feed them carrots and shit. And then it was pretty cool, and it was very big, a lot of walking. It was very, very hot today. It was like 35 degrees, which is almost 100 degrees, 100 degrees in your degrees, Americans. And it looked like this, and it was really fun. It was hot though. Yes.
Who's that? What are you doing?
God, I'm drooling all over the place. I'll car wash for sure after this. Then there was an animal show, and it was pretty cool. There was a lot of big birds and stuff. You're gonna see an eagle, and they pulled out this pig. I think it's a baby boar. Anyways, the thing just hightailed it right to the mud like a classic pig. I just have to show you that. It's so fucking funny. The rest of the clips, you're gonna see the fucking English translation these girls were doing was so embarrassing. They were saying how birds have hollow bones. If you didn't know that, you know now. Fuck, you're smarter. Achievement unlocked. Oh, I should make an achievement button. Anyways, they're and because the bones are aloe, I'm like, aloe? Oh, terrible. They were really bad. My dad was freaking out. He said he felt like a first class citizen. Anyways, this was the show. It was pretty cool. And at the end, there's a lynx, which is a big cat. And it's not that big, but it's cute. So anyways, here's some of the cool animals that we saw at the show in the blistering heat of death. Begin.
Les lynx, leur poids, c'est seulement de 40 livres environ. So the lynx, their weight is 40 pounds maximum. So it's very little, but don't sit.
Then there was another part. It's like different sections. You drive through some, you walk through some. There's activities at some. This one had had teepees and cool stuff. And then there was this amazing carved house, lodge, farm thing. It was just this what it looked like. And then there was a walk thing on the top, which I sped up, and that's it. And that was really cool actually. And bench coin begin. Fuck, that's not French for begin. I just say that because I'm stupid. As a joke, because I used to think that was French for begin. Shut up.
That's it.
Yes.
Chair. That's so cool.
Look, a bear chair. Look.
And as you just saw there at the end, there's those crazy birdhouses. And that one wasn't even the greatest one. There were like really, really cooler, bigger ones like all throughout the park. And I thought it was like to protect from raccoons, but it's just to look cool and attract birds, I guess. But I didn't see one bird at them. But throughout the whole park, there's feeders and stuff. So animals, they just guarantee animals come, you know. And the bears are obviously locked off, as you see. You can't deal with them or get to them. And but there was a lot of animals running around and stuff. I lost a lot of film because I couldn't see if I was recording because my phone was just too bright and really hot. And all the animals were in the water most. So some were hiding because it was so hot. And I tried to film a little white fox, like it's called Arctic fox, and it was hiding under like its burrow, and you could kind of see it. And everyone was stopping their cars to like try and like coax it out. And it's like, just move, like oh, I was going. I was road raging like all day, and I'm like, I gotta calm down here because like this is what this is. So that's it. I go out. This video of I forgot the place is called already. It doesn't matter, but that's it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And it's storming like hell right now because it was so hot. It was so much lightning. I filmed some on my phone. Maybe I'll inject that in a video somewhere one day. So thanks for watching, and that's it. And I'll see you next time. I'm on vacation, so maybe I'll make more vids because I'm going to be doing more activities and shit. I don't know. Bye! I have to make soap. That's what I have to do. Yes, okay. Bye.